Hey everybody! Today we're going to have a politically incorrect shave. We're going to be using First Canadian Shave Co. Dicken Cider. This is, I believe, the release from 3 years ago. We'll be using the matching Aftershave. And the Consul straight razor 7/8. Let's get into this. So hope you're all doing well. Hope you're enjoying life. Hope you're being safe. The beard's still here. We're still going through No Shave November. I think it's looking pretty good. We'll see how it goes. My wife wants me to make this smaller. She says it's old man-ish. We'll see. She does seem to be more of a fan of it this time than last time. Here's the lather all made up for you. My Thirsty Badger lather bowl. With my Coyote cuts, Mad Hatter and Lime, 26mm, Luxury Manchurian. Got some water on my neck here. Let's get this going. So Randy, at First Canadian, is definitely not afraid of some controversy with the naming of his soaps. But it's such a good soap, such a great scent. I actually have 3 of these as backups. I have the original 2017 release. I missed 2018, which is the V2. This is, I believe, the V3 from 2019. Got the 2020 as a gift from a viewer and a friend. Thank you very much for that one. And today the pre-order is up for the 2021. I'm debating if I'll get it. Prior to this video, I did message Randy to see if it was sold out yet. It is not. So by the time this gets posted tonight, you guys can see if there's any left. It's a warm, boozy, slightly spicy accord with a little bit of citrus pop to me. I'll put the scent notes up for you guys. But it's beautiful. I enjoy this a lot. I do not just keep it around for this time of the year. I'll use it any time of year I want. But I do usually tend to lean to using it more in the winter and fall months. And especially more in November and December. All right. That's good enough. Such a great scent. I'll say that again, guys. Really, really great scent. Good enough. Clean that up a little bit. So, hope you're all doing well. Hope you're enjoying some great shaves. Hope you have some good family time. And if you like cooler temperatures, if you like snow, if you like winter, I hope you're enjoying that too. Really, the only thing I don't like about it is shoving in the driveway. Other than that, I love some winter sports. And unfortunately, my family's not a big fan of it either. But, not a big fan of it, so limits the amount of time we're out there. So, 7/8 Consul. Scale material was supplied by Randy to Art Razor to have these scales made. It's a twin blade, or twin to my buddy's razor. I had 2 of them made, and I was lucky enough to get this one from him. And let's get this going. So except for the 2017 release, as far as I know, Dicken Cider has always been in the buffalo milk base for Randy. I know this base, this soap, rubs some people wrong because of the labeling and the joke behind the name. I think last year he released a version for people called Holiday Cider, for people who wanted it but didn't want the name. I'm not sure if he's doing that again this year. I forgot to ask him. I will ask him and put that in the comments below, guys, or the description below, I should say. So, wow. If you haven't tried First Canadian, it's a wonderful base. It's got good scent strength. And it just doesn't let you down. It gives you everything you need. Pretty easy to lather. Excellent performance, slickness. For me anyways, you know, it's tops. I mean, to measure soaps like this is always individual perspective, right? So until we can find an actual way to scientifically measure that, or someone wants to figure that out or has a way of doing it, we can do it. It's great. But to me, this is as good as the top mainstream brands. So it's really a wonderful, wonderful base. And it never lets me down. I would highly recommend this to anyone. If you don't care for the name on this soap, I'd still recommend you try any of Randy's bases or any of his soaps that are available. I know it's a little difficult getting some of his sometimes, which is too bad, but it is what it is when the gentleman's busy with his regular job. So we have to respect that. You know, family comes first, and looking after his family, making money is important. Even though I'm sure he would love to do this more often. It is what it is. Man, that went really well, guys. Now it's a quick 2 pass on the neck. I'm actually gonna clean up in here today. On the inside of my lips there. There we go. Doesn't taste that bad. It's just really, I find it really pokey right in there, so we'll see if we can get some of this off without making a mess. That feels better. So, sorry to see down my throat. There we go. Looks good still like that. A little weird like that, but not going to drive me as insane as it was. I am going to leave this area. I think I was debating this, cutting this down, and I want to leave it probably towards the end of November. And then at that point, I'll either trim this up and keep the beard for a little while longer, or you guys will watch it all come off. So we'll see how that goes. Let's just rinse this up. Let's see here. Yeah, that's good, guys. Nothing wrong with that. So give me a minute to clean everything up, and I'll be back to see you for the post shave. All right, I'm back. Just make sure that beard's dried out a bit. Very quick, nice shave. Feels great. I think the lines still look good. We'll live with it. So for the post shave, I'm going to use the Match and Splash I said from Dicken Cider, but this is the XXX version. So this is one of the few from Randy that has alcohol in it, and it is, I can't remember how many hours, but he makes the aftershave and he puts it in I think it was a bourbon barrel, excuse me, and he lets it sit in there and kind of cure, I guess, or I'm not sure what the word is, but it really bumps this up. You get the bourbon scent coming a little more, through a little bit more. And I think it actually kind of smooths out the scent a little bit. It's good, it's excellent before. This just takes it to that next level. I'm not quite sure how to explain that, but it's amazing. I think he only made this that 1 year. And I hope he makes it again 1 year because I will have to buy another. It's absolutely stellar. I'm stingy with this one because I don't want to use it all up. That was just wonderful. Quite enjoyed that. Let's do the beard care, guys. So it was beard and brawn, beard balm, citrus, citrus and cedar. Wow, mind fart there. Probably too much, actually. Take a little bit off that. Seems to be working really well for me. The beard feels a lot softer. I've been told, not only by myself, but my wife, my kids, my in-laws, anybody who has checked it out. So I think this is working better for me than the beard oils that I was using before. Maybe I should be using them in combo, I'm not quite sure. But whatever it's doing, it seems to be working. So again, the board bristle brush, this is from Rockwell. Just a quick rub this through, help get that oils all through the hairs. Maybe start a bit of a shaping technique, I guess, I don't know. But for me, it's more make sure things work through. And I think it helps soften the hairs too. I'm a little aggressive, probably too aggressive with this. Right on. That should be good. So perfect. That's the shave. That's the beard care. As you can see, we're back in the den. I got the sink fixed. Thank God. That feels great. Smelling great. Feeling great. It's just great. Let's do the magic tap and get out of here for you guys. So, you saw me use the politically incorrect shave soap and matching balm or splash, sorry. First Canadian shave, Dicken Cider. I used my Thirsty Badger Mayor Lather bowl. The original Coyote Cuts Mad Hatter and Lime pre-coin. The blank was actually also poured and supplied by Randy at First Canadian Shave. This is an amazing brush, amazing knot. Dickie, you gotta make more. Not this one. But you gotta make more brushes and you gotta get these knots back, buddy. They're amazing. We used the 7/8. Here we go. Art Razor Consul, full hollow. I got it from my buddy Tyler. Again, he's got the matching one with the scales, except it is different grind. This is full hollow, I think is 1/4. And again, the burl material for this was supplied to Art Razor for the scales from Randy. You saw me use Beard and Brawn, Beard Balm, Citrus and Lemon from Winnipeg, Canada, Rockwell Razor's Beard Brush, and I'm back in the den. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the beard. Keep it, let it go, anything I should do to it. Love to hear your comments. Let me know what you think about First Canadian Shave, what you think about the name on this soap, if it bothers you, if it doesn't bother you, if you think it's funny, if you don't think it's funny. Love to hear people's comments, you know, if I agree or disagree. I love to hear and talk to you guys below. And past that, thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for being subscribers. I really appreciate it, everyone. And everyone, you have great shaves. Have a great week. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.